What's up YouTube, I'm back again with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to remove a background on Photopad. I'll show you like the easiest way. So there are a few things that you need to notice when you're moving the photos, so it depends how the color of the background is. For now we can see that the background has like about 3 colors. Is this brownish color, and we have a black color, and here below we have that light brown color, something like that. So I'll be showing you how to do this. So the first thing, after uploading your photo, this is what will appear. You'll be at home, then you move from home, and then you go straight to select. Then from select you just move across here. Oh, it was here, then they changes to be this side, those magnet and thing. So you can here and like just fix your sensitivity. Sometimes your sensitivity don't have to be very strong, so I just leave mine at there. Then just click this magic stick thing, then you just click on the black thing, so you just remove all the black thing, then you click delete. Then you come here, so you need to be careful. Sometimes like the color of the hair and this color are kind of similar, so you need to try and zoom in, just make sure like you don't even cut the hair. Then let's just click around this area, hoping that the same around here on top start to cut the hair. So what if something like this happens, you need just to zoom in, control plus. That's how I zoom in. Then you go straight to that part. You see it start to cut here the hair. You click Control D to deselect, then you click this polygon. So what I will do, I just use the polygon just to try to highlight this area, so that just go move as close, move next to her hair. After that you just do it like this, then you double click so that you can go straight to that point. Then you have selected this polygon, then you click delete on it. After it will be deleted, then you need to remove the background. Click Control minus to zoom out. Then you can click like that stick again, then you click here. You can see like it again, select the hair. Then we can try to decrease the color sensitivity a little bit. Let's put it around 50. So you click Control D to deselect. So let's click again. It seems as it's super sensitive. So let's move back. Let's move it on 100. Control D. So let's start here below. Just click there again. It's that here below. So we click delete there. Still moving on the right. Then let's click here. Still on the right part, even here. Click here. Okay, it's super sensitive, so let's move it backward a little bit. Let's put it around 70. Okay, let's click here. Okay, I think around the hair. So let's try to zoom in again. Try to zoom in fast and quick. Then you click Control D to deselect. You can use the polygon. Just move next to hair. That is much better. Click Control Z to out zoom. To zoom out. Okay. That is also good. That is also good. Just keep selecting and just make sure you don't you don't try to remove hair. Okay. So we'll fix like those small areas with the polygon tool. Just that you need to find like a perfect sensitivity percentage. Okay, we're just moving good. Here, there, which here in between. Okay, perfect. So in places like this, I usually prefer to use a polygon because sometimes it will just mess it around. It will just mess it around. I think I love that one. Keep deleting it. Keep deleting it. Okay. So you saw, guys, what I told you. Like sometimes you can just use like a freeform. You see there are small particles here. You just go around that head and select all those small particles around his skin. Just select them. Just move around as close as her body. Then you just click delete just to remove those small things. We can still move around. Sometimes I may cut things that I feel like I don't want. Just move around the body. Show our image, so we can go to 1350 times 1350. Come here, you go to file, go to new. You can just I want like 1350. Times 1350. That's the pixel I want. So what I usually try to do just to keep my images, like the images which I remove background, kinda beautiful and interesting, I'll just use the rectangle tool and just select any part from any color from what she is wearing. I decided to select this very light blue thing. Then I'll come here and I'll just paste it. Then I'll just make it very big, like to be like to be the over to be on the side of my square. Then after doing that, okay, you can see this is still shows a little bit of dot, so I will come here, then I'll just auto color it a little bit, entire of it. I don't love it. Sometimes you can decrease it if you want to, but I don't like it. I feel like I don't think like this. Let's say, oh my god, Control and 2. Okay, let's give it like a bit of a boost. Let's give our color a little bit of a strength. Okay, now I'm getting to the point where I feel like this is exactly what I want, but it seems as they change a lot of the direction of those places. Then you can go to play, like a play will give it like a smooth color, like a very smooth color. Just increase your amount of the play, then that it will have like something like that. It will have like a very smooth color. Then you go to your image, then you go to select, then you go to your frame form, then you just move around her body again. You can select all the images, but I didn't do all the images to be clean. No, I just did like close to her body to be clean. I don't know you do understand what I'm trying to say. Then you click here, you copy, then you go to the new image, then you Control V, then you just put it there below. to see now how it complements like the background and headdress. Then you can just move sharpness about 90, just to make what some of the things that you may mix to not look very strong. So there are a couple of mistakes I did. You can see around here I cut some of hair, but still looks great. So guys, this is how you remove a background. So guys, this is how you remove a background on Photopad and just make it looks great. You can add a little bit of an auto level, but sometimes it may make my image to not look good. But if it don't make my image look good, it's just I'm removing it. It make it like a little bit dry, so yeah, it looks great. I think I love it. And let me just put it on 50%, like on 37%. I don't want it to be super noticeable. So yeah guys, this is how you remove a background from an image using Photopad. It's very easy, very straightforward. I hope guys you'll love this one. Thank you so much guys for watching. Definitely I will see you on the next video. Bless.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and